Welcome to CAS 216 Beginning Word. My name is Mrs. Hughitt and I will be your instructor for this term. I'd like to take a few minutes and make a couple of videos here for you to help get you introduced into the class. One of my goals is always to have students be very successful in any class that they choose to take. So, I want to talk to you a little bit about some of the skills that will be helpful for you to be successful in this class. Well, this is called beginning word. It does assume you have some certain skills coming in. It sort of assumes that you know how to do some very basic things with a computer. You can start it, you can log into email, you can do emails, you can do email attachments. You're comfortable with opening Word, starting Word, using Word in a fairly basic manner, but you can add pictures, you can find themes, you can change fonts, you can save a file, you can save it where you want it to go, not just where it sort of magically lands and you can never find it again. You're able to control that. It sort of assumes that you've probably taken other online classes before this and that you know something about Moodle and how to use an online course to some degree. You don't have to be extremely proficient, but if you're sitting there going, now what do? I have no clue. This may not be the best class for you to start with. This class has a fairly high workload. Most of the documents that you need to be creating each week are fairly well spelled out by the book. It has a good textbook with it. Moodle's fairly well put together. This is a rebuild from Surrey Olson's class that teaches it fall term. So one of the things we'll always want to watch out for is if I miss converting anything. So if you find something that's like, these two things don't match, email me, let me know, tell me where you found it, and I'll try to get it corrected. It's a huge task to rebuild a class and tweak it the way you particularly want to have it. So I've got a few of those things that I hope we won't have anything crop up. But if we do, just let me know and we'll work it through. You're going, but I've never taken an online class. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm lucky I got here and got this video going enough to even be hearing it at this point. I've never really worked with Word at all. I know that it's a word processing program that people use, but that's about the end of my skills. Then you probably don't really want to be in this class. You probably want to backtrack and look at taking CAS 133 first. It is an introductory course. It sort of assumes you don't have any background using Moodle. It has videos for every single week showing you what you're going to do. It talks you through most of your steps so you get the basics. It'll work you through some Word projects, some PowerPoint projects, some Excel projects. You'll learn more about email and email attachments, all those types of things that would probably be helpful if you don't have any of that background. If you do have that background and you're fairly comfortable and everything so far sounds like, yeah, I can do that, that's not a big deal, then you're ready to move on to the next video below this.